Morning! Tip of the day from the Swishman, Hairman Swishman. Right, let's start from here. Right, okay. Glasses on, glasses off. Right, okay, so Hair Systems hair colour, right? So I've pretty much got a dry look now, and I would have a dry look inside a building, etc. But as soon as I'd go outside, this is the life of a hair system. There's no getting around it. Even with our quality hair in it, which means it doesn't oxidize like some of the horrors you see out there. So the colour stays longer, and the Hairman has got the worst colours in the world. Greys, blondes, and a bit of dark. Yeah, they're brittle and they're difficult to manage. Yet you see me managing them, and you see me when the hair system goes lighter, even though I colour it, I still keep it light and manage to wear a hair system looking good. Right, so if I had dark hair, I would find this an absolute doddle. Right, tips for the sun. I always have leave-in conditioner in my car. I have this product. There's no point me starting to sell it as well. Have a look at that, read it. You can get it in those B&M or shops like that. And this. Right, so everywhere I go, as soon as I go outside, I'm wearing this look. If you ever see me in my bingo bongo camper van at traffic lights, I'm quite often doing that. So, and the reason being is it just gives a protection for the hair system. Anything on the hair is going to protect it from the sun, right? And there is a bit of UV protector there. I also use this, and it's for blonde hair, and it helps for the sun, but you know, if it's for blonde hair, it's for hair that's oxidizing, right? All hair systems oxidize. Ours do it less because they're better quality, good quality hair system, meaning less processed. Right, now the other tip is, if it's absolutely storming hot, Tresemme conditioner in my hands, and then I do this. So I still kept the swoosh look. You can see the conditioners on there. And then I brush it as I use safely. And then I can confidently go out in the sun. Sun, 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 here comes.